are live streaming on our official Facebook page today for the launching of the Tabang sa Pag-adal. Bicol University cares, and this afternoon is an example of how Bicol University cares for its students with the official launching of the Tabang sa Pag-adal, a social action program for the benefit of the BUenos. Welcome everyone, and let us invoke God's presence in a brief prayer followed by the national anthem and the Bicol University hymn.
Mayang magiliw, pelas ng silangan, nananap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mababa. May nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng mata at mo'y tagumpay na naninindig. Ang bituin na tarang niya kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng langit pagsinta, amoy langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pamay mga pinamamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you very much, Attorney Norly. We now have the BU hymn.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by men of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for he will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Eagle University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light. Eagle University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light.
Thank you very much, Attorney Norly, once again for sharing the videos as well as for hosting this virtual launching of Tabang sa Pag-adal. Ladies and gentlemen, in the days leading to the opening of the first semester in this pandemic year, the life and learning of everyone, especially our students, took on a rather drastic turn as we focused on learning in the new normal. How are our students coping? What are their needs in order to survive learning in the new normal? To know their situation, let us take a look at this short video clip on how Tabang sa Pag-adal was born. Okay, that was a short video clip telling us how our students fared or are faring in this new normal, in learning in the new normal. After watching this meaningful short video clip on Tabang sa Pag-adal, let us now welcome our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, for her message.
Good afternoon, my dear BU family. We would like to welcome you all to the highlight of the 51st founding anniversary virtual launching of the project Tabang sa Pag-adal. This is an expression of a willingness to give meaningful service to our students, to bear one another's burdens that it may be light. To the members of the Board of Regents headed by our chairperson, Dr. Aldrin Darilag, the Vice Chairperson and the President of Bicol University, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, other members of the Board of Regents, the Vice Presidents, Deans and Directors, Chiefs and Heads of Offices, the officers of the BUUFAI, the officers of the USC and the CSC, the BU ANTS officers, the members of the Alumni Board of Directors, highly esteemed faculty members, our beloved students, non-teaching personnel, the alumni, the retirees of BU, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with great joy and honor to welcome you all to the launching of the project Tabang sa Pag-adal during the celebration of BU's 51st founding anniversary. This is our highlight for this year's founding anniversary celebration, bringing hope and love in this time of the great pandemic. We love this project and hope that this will earn 1,000-mile and record stories of success for our students. At the same time, we would also like to express our gratitude and congratulations to the project proponents, especially Attorney Alex and the rest of the deans and directors of coming up with this noble undertaking. It is truly befitting at this time of great need to share what we have in order to support our beloved students. Your commitment to support this project will go a long way to those who may not have the means to buy a gadget or even to provide for internet load and other means in meeting the challenges of a flexible learning mode. Let us positively look forward that our students find the ray of hope. We pray that your contribution will inspire and influence our students to carry on with their studies. I believe that together we can overcome this challenge and make way possible for our beloved students to reach their dreams even in this difficult experience. Our BU family reaches out to those who have the means possible and give generously, because it is in giving that we truly become happy. As I conclude my welcome message, in behalf of the BU family, I express gratitude to all of you for coming up with this project. Thank you all for your support and commitment. To all of you present in this virtual launching, welcome and thank you very much. Good afternoon.
Thank you. That was our Vice President for Academic Affairs. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami, for your warm greetings. Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy and the lead proponent of the Tabang sa Pag-adal program, will now lead the official launching for this social action program of Bicol University for the benefit of our BUNO students. Attorney.
Thank you very much, Madam Ren, our program facilitator this afternoon. To find the greatest meaning of life is that through surpassing personal difficulties and rising victor over them, but helping others surmount their difficulties in order for them to find the greatest meaning of their lives. To our highly respected Chairperson of Bicol University Board of Regents, Honorable Commissioner Dr. Aldrin A. Darilan, the Vice Chair of Bicol University Board of Regents and President Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, equally respected members of the Board of Regents, beloved elected officials, both of national and local levels, the Bicol University USC and CSC officers, fellow university officials, namely the vice presidents, the academic deans and directors, non-academic directors and heads of units, faculty members, non-teaching staff, dear students, officials and workers of public and private sectors, non-government and people's organizations, civil and civic society, the general public, parents, netizens, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. The world is beset by the grim realities caused by COVID-19 pandemic. That is extremely disrupting not only public health and global economy, but the various world systems, orders, structures, arrangements, and relations, with widespread and far-reaching consequences beyond the confines of health or issue of life and death. It caused devastating ripple effect on social, economic, political, and cultural and education system. Indeed, it adversely affected educational system worldwide, with more or less 1.5 billion learners or 72.9% world's student population. And our country, the Philippines, is not insulated, hence currently on a non-face-to-face holding of classes protocol, and that includes our beloved Bicol University, which likely the rest of the schools in the world adopt flexible learning, both in methods and modalities. Moreover, the Bicol University is not only a bastion of excellence and quality education, but also a champion advocate for inclusive quality education and embracing a motto in a fund of flexible learning needs of the less fortunate and disadvantaged BUenos or BU Scholar ng Bayan. The Bicol University conceptualized social action program on the occasion of its 51st founding anniversary, inspired with the theme, Bukas Burunyog, sa pag-andurog sa panahon ng pandemya. Hence, Bicol University is hereby officially launching the Tabang sa Pag-adal, a university social action program for the benefits of BUenos. The Tabang sa Pag-adal is a program for charity cause for the less fortunate students by giving a hand and accomplishing goals together as one educational family and community. It is an approach to and for students' empowerment and development through collaborative demonstration of social conscious and corporate the negative impacts of COVID-19 pandemic to education, together as a family and community, but not pulling down the fortunate, but by pushing up the less fortunate. It is goal-directed from aim to raise social consciousness and responsibility to the poor and financially challenged. Moreover, this whole universe and society approach to take action to address the flexible learning needs of the disadvantaged and less privileged students in the spirit of Bayanihan. The program components of Tabang sa Pag-adal are the following. We have donation in cash, which could be through Philippine peso or foreign currency, or issuance for encashment of check. The second component is donation in kind. It could be brand new laptops, Android phones, other useful gadgets, and second-hand but functional laptops, Android phones, and other useful gadgets for flexible learning. Also, donation of Wi-Fi modem, pocket Wi-Fis, cell phone loads, and various learning materials. The third component is provision of related services for reproduction of learning materials, for distribution of learning materials, and opening of Learning Mobility Center for receiving and forwarding of learning materials from Bicol University to the students, especially to the remote places, and the students to drop off and submit the same to the Learning Mobility Center to be delivered also to Bicol University. And the fourth component is Adapt a BIO ISCO, or Adapt a Bicol University Scholar. Ideally, the poorest from the poor. Adapt a BIO ISCO as academic foster parent or academic benefactor to give financial assistance for at least one semester. And for our program initiative structures, we have the following. We have Tabang initiatives of non-academic units composed by the alumni, which could be joint help of our Bugaay through our alumni regent, Dr. Edgar Barameda, and through our Office of the Alumni Relations through Dr. Sipcon, and also from initiatives from the non-teaching personnel of Bicol University, headed by the President, Dr. Salvador Bilono of the BUANS, or the Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff. Also, the Tabang initiative of academic units, which could be initiated either by the faculty and by the students. We know for a fact that there are already existing initiatives of the faculty and initiative of the students. And this Tabang sa Pag-adal will serve as an umbrella program for them to align and realign their existing and ongoing fundraising activities, solicitations, and other fund campaign drives. And the third component of initiatives would come from the non-Bicol University organizations, but are accredited and affiliated organizations and groups and are under the banner Tabang sa Pag-adal, which could be domestic organization groups and foreign organization or foreign-based organization groups. Also, we would like to present to you the Tabang sa Pag-adal structure. The organizational structure shall be as follows. There will be a committee of the whole which shall be chaired by the Bicol University presidents and shall be vice chaired by the following for a comprehensive representation. We have the Bicol University Vice President for Academic Affairs, the Faculty Regent, the Alumni Regent, the Student Regent, the President of Bicol University ANS, all academic deans and directors, all non-academic deans and directors, and the ARO director, and all presidents and heads of non-Bicol University accredited organizations and groups. There should be 3 major committees, one of which is the Committee on Accreditation and Certification. This will work to issue certification and process accreditation of those organizations and groups willing to align their activities under the umbrella Tabang sa Pag-adal program, which shall be composed by the chair, the vice chairs, and the members, who, if I would like to mention, will be chaired yours truly as the lead proponent, and to be vice chaired by the dean of the OSAS, and the members are the fellow or co-proponents, Professor Dennis Mirabueno and Dr. Renalyn Bautista. And we shall also have a very important committee, which is a finance committee, which shall be chaired by the Vice President for Administration and Finance. And the Vice Chair will be the Budget Officer of the university, and the members will come to be selected from other accredited organizations and groups. And we shall have also a committee on monitoring, accounting, and audit committee, which shall be chaired by our university accountant, vice chaired by a finance officer of Bicol University, and the members should be all of the clusters and units accountants. And under the Committee on Finance will be the following. First, the academic units, which shall be chaired by the dean or the director, vice chaired by the associate dean or director, and the members should be the department chairs and the college student council president. We shall also have, and these academic units shall have the departments and the CSC and the CBOs as its component committees. We shall also have Bicol University non-academic units, which shall be the Bugaay and the BU ANTS, and also the Office of the Alumni Relations. And we shall also have the non-BU accredited organizations and groups. We shall have the domestic-based organization and the foreign-based organization. The committee work on data as far as the conceptualization of this project is concerned. And we found out that as far as available gadgets for flexible learning is concerned, we have 50% of the students using a smartphone, while 2% use tablet, 3% use personal computer, 23% of the students have laptop, 6% use non-cable TV, 8% use cable TV, and 7% make use of ratio. Also, we found out that as far as access to internet is concerned, 43% have access to internet connection, but only on specific times of the days. It's not round the clock. 51% have internet connection round the clock, and 6% do not have internet connection in their respective places. Also, we also found out that as far as sources of internet and internet connectivity, 67% are using mobile phone data. That's why, as far as the in-kind donation is concerned, we give emphasis on cell phone loads or the card loads. And also, only 29% make use of home, wireless, DSL, fiber, and etc. While 4% look for internet shop or cafe for their internet services. And lastly, we also have the data on internet speed that 51% experience slow internet and 35% have stable internet connection, while 12% have intermittent internet connection. With that data, ladies and gentlemen, we wholeheartedly launch the Tabang sa Pag-adal program. Rest assured that the Tabang sa Pag-adal program is well designed with its guidelines, mechanisms from financial solicitation, fundraising activities, and rights shall be properly accounted for with all transparency and public disclosures through its strategic communication plan and platforms, as well as resource collection, allocation, distribution, and mobilization. With these students' realities, the Bicol University, therefore, most respectfully appeal and call for help from the men and women of goodwill of Bicol University family, the kind-hearted Albayanos, the philanthropists of Bicolandia, the heroic Filipinos, and the men and women of goodwill of the whole wide world, all for the dreams and futures of our beloved student BONios, because Bicol University cares. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. Good afternoon again.
Thank you very much, Attorney Alex. That officially starts the Tabang sa Pag-adal, a social action program for the benefit of the BONios. Congratulations. Can we give a round of applause, please, to this very laudable project? Let us now welcome our Bicol University President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, for his message and statement of support, as well as call for support. Sir?
Thank you very much, Dr. Ren. To our Board of Regents, headed by Commissioner Darilag, to our Vice Presidents, our Deans and Directors, Heads of Offices, our faculty members, and admin support personnel, to our alumni, represented by Regent Edgar Barameda, to our dear students and our dear BONios, good afternoon. Today, in spite of everything, even if our hands are full with so many things to do, and our minds are wrapped in so many thoughts of still more things to do. I am glad that we found the time still to be together in expressing our thanksgiving during this morning's solemn opening Holy Mass. Thanks to technology and all the people behind it, we were able to be one in spirit and virtual presence, with heads bowed in prayers of faith and gratitude. We are once more virtually gathered this afternoon to walk our talk and give life to the celebratory cry of our 51st founding anniversary, Burugkos, Burunyog sa pagandurog sa panahon ng pandemya. With hands and minds filled with things to do, our hearts, on the other hand, are filled with an overflowing sense of happiness and pride at the way we are handling the call for unity and oneness through shared service as one big Bicol University family. I have said this during my opening message, but I would like to say it again. As we give due honor to our frontliners, we are likewise keeping in mind the travails and despair, the joys and hopes, the cry and anguish of our students in keeping with a sudden change in learning and living. Your Bicol University cares. We walk our talk as we're launching today the social service program for Tabang sa Pag-aral. We are not indifferent to your plight, my dear students, because we care more than you would ever realize. This is for you. All those who collaborated that this program may come to light and be implemented are all rooting for you, my dear students. On the occasion of our 51st founding anniversary, in the time of pandemic, we call on our communal spirit of sharing and service as we take on the celebratory cry of Pagandurog to our students and frontliners. Burugkos, Burunyog sa pagandurog sa panahon ng pandemya reflects the spirit of unity and oneness. We call on the entire Bicol University family and our partners and stakeholders to extend your help, to share and serve, and be change agents for social transformation and development. Congratulations, Bicol University family, for this laudable and truly significant service to our students.
Thank you very much. That is our President, Dr. Noli Mascareñas. Thank you so much, sir, for your unending support as well as the uplifting message. And Bicol University, Burugkos, Burunyog sa pag-andurog sa panahon ng pandemya. In solidarity with our intentions and laudable directions, our Bicol University community and partners are also one with us.
Kumusta ka, BUenyo? Ngayong ipinagdiriwang natin ang ika-51 anibersaryo ng pamantasan ng Bicol. Naway mas pagtibayin natin ang pagtutulungan. Naway mas pagyamanin natin ang pagbibigayan. at naway mas bigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga ang ating mga kapatid na lubos na nangangailangan. Ako po si Vince Vibar at sinusuportahan ko po ang BU Tabang para sa Pag-aaral Program.
On behalf of the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated, is Edgar S. Barameda, the President, expressing and manifesting our intention to support the Bicol University Tabang sa Pag-aaral Program. Congratulations and mabuhay po kita guys.
Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa lahat. Sa panahon ng krisis at pandemya, nalaganta ang sariling pamilya. Sa BU Tulong sa Pag-aaral Program, sumuporta at higit sa lahat sa Diyos magtiwala. Happy 51st founding anniversary po sa Pilipinas.
Karong magayon, konkreto asin na papanahon na programa kang Bicol University para sa satuyang mga estudyante. Alam niya to na sa presenteng panahon, ipisil ng gayo ang kamugtakan kan satuyang mga estudyante para makapag-eskwela asin maabot tindaan sa indang mga pangarap. Alagad, dahil sa tabang asin sa paglusad kay ining programang ini, dayaday niya itong matatabangan, lalong-lalo na ang mga kasaradayan dito sa Bicol University. Gusto kong magtaon ng Enhorabuena asin dakulang pagsaludo. Enot kay Atty. Alex Nepomuceno sa iyang isperso ka programang ini. And siyempre man sa administrasyon sa panginginot kan sa tuyang ama kang universidad. Si Dr. Arnulfo Mascarillas asin ang gabos na mga stakeholders na andam na magtabang sa programang ini. Sa Giraray, sangaran kang Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff, buot niya mong ipabot sa Sainto Gabos ang samuyang som, bilog na suporta sa programang ini. Keep up the good work.
Ang totoong tatak BUenyo ay naninindigan at sama-samang hinaharap ang mga hamon sa buhay. Kaya natin to. Huwag bibitaw. Nandito kami para iahon ang isa't isa. Happy 51st Founding Anniversary, Bicol University.
Let us support Tabang sa Pag-aaral, a university social action program for the benefit of the BUenyos.
Hi, your care for our students will make our students care more. Let us support Tabang sa Pag-aaral program of Bicol University.
I know that education is essential, and therefore I pledge my support to the Bicol University Tabang sa Pag-aaral. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Hi! On behalf of the Psychology Department, this is Dr. Dayang Hualios, the Department Chair, extending our wholehearted support for the BU Tabang sa Pag-aaral program.
Congratulations, Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy for conceptualizing the very noble task, Tabang sa Pag-aaral. Congratulations to the proponent, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the Dean, and to the men and women of Tabang sa Pag-aaral. Congratulations and my support. Happy birthday, Bicol University.
We, the faculty members
of the Social Department,
support the BU Pag-aaral program,
a university's social action program
for the benefits of
the BUenyos.
Ako bilang alumnus kang Department of Sociology nakikisumaro sa programa kang Bicol University Tabang sa Pag-aaral.
On behalf of PhD PASA Class 2020-2021, we fully support Tabang sa Pag-aaral.
The Commission on Human Rights Region 5 supports Bicol University's Tabang sa Pag-aaral program. Sarabay kitang iangat ang BUenyo.
with the current situation that we are facing right now that affects the education of each student, putting their life at risk, the Bicol University College of Nursing Student Council's e-Tabang, an online fundraising event for our fellow future BUNO nurses, and Bicol University's Tabang sa Pag-Adal program will always support the students' needs and always be there in these trying times as we face together the challenges in the new normal. Care, commitment, and compassion for the lives of many.
Kami po, ang konseho ng mag-aaral ng Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra ay lubos na sumusuporta sa Tabang sa Pag-Adal program ng Bicol University. #BUCare.
The BUIA College Student Council extends its support to the BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal program. RT Angat, RT patuloy na umaangat.
The BU CSSP College Student Council supports BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal program. Sarabay kitang iangat ang BUNyo.
I'm Krista Mariam Navarro, President of BU CSSP Red Cross Youth Council, and on behalf of our organization, we express our support for the Tabang sa Pag-Adal, a university social action program for the benefit of the BUNyo.
Hi, I'm Marie Celestine Umanga, President of BU CSSP Olympia, and speaking in behalf of our organization. We are one in supporting Tabang sa Pag-Adal, a university social action program for the benefit of all BUNyos.
Swagan and Associates nakikisumaro sa BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal program.
On behalf of the Bicol University Robredo Institute Students Organization, we would like to express our warmest support to the Bicol University Tabang sa Pag-Adal program.
Of the Human Welfare Advocates, as its president, I'm Michelle B. Hashim, expressing my deepest support for the Tulong sa Pag-Adal, a university social action program for the benefit of the BUNyos.
Hello, my name is James Salamanuel Leyaon, Philosopher King from Young Philosopher Society, and I'm here to show support for the BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal program.
Hi, I'm Veronica Manuel from Bicol University Political Science Club, expressing our support for Tabang sa Pag-Adal, a university social action program for the benefit of BUNyos.
Good day, I am Bon Joseph J. Licata, the current Prime Minister of LLR Reforma CSSP chapter. On behalf of Reforma, I would like to extend our sincerest gratitude and admiration to the Tabang sa Pag-Adal program.
On behalf of Psyche and as President, I'm Jeremy Columamil, expressing our sincerest support to the University's Tabang sa Pag-Adal program.
Mga por.
IPSR strongly supports BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal. BUNyo para sa inyo.
College of Education supports BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal program. For our students, the future teachers, let us all unite and keep them connected.
Sa kolehiyo ng Kanyang ay lubos ang pagbati at pagsuporta sa programang BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal. Dahil bawat hindi may
University Open University highly supports the Tabang sa Pag-Adal program for the love of education and for Bicol University.
Sangaran kan samuyang komunidad Bicol University College of Engineering, but nyamong ipaabot sa gabos na ang buseng nagaharubay nin pagkamuot asin pakikisumaro sa pagsuporta sa programang Tabang sa Pag-Adal. Salamat po.
The Bicol University Institute of Architecture supports BU Tabang sa Pag-Adal program. Sa BU, inspirado ako.
Happy 51st Founding Anniversary, Bicol University! BU Pulangi Campus supports Tabang sa Pag-Adal. We can make it!
Happy Anniversary, Bicol University! Para sa mga scholar ng bayan, walang susuko, laban lang. Tatabangan mi kamo sa saindong pag-adal. Fighting!
Sararo-Sarabay, Burgos-Borunyog sa pagsuporta sa BU Tabang sa Pag-adal. From the Bicol University Graduate School, we extend our greetings and support.
Do a good deed. Help someone in need. I support Tabang sa Pag-adal, a university social action program for the benefit of the BUN.
The Office of the Vice President for Administration and Finance fully supports the Tabang sa Pag-adal because BU cares.
With love from the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs, we fully support the project Tabang sa Pag-adal. We love our students.
Ako, ika, kita gabos, Bulanos na sumuporta sa Tabang sa Pag-adal program kan Bicol University. Mabuhay!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the pledge of support. Friends, that concludes the launching of our Tabang sa Pag-adal program. We'd like to thank our 90 participants and those who are watching through FB Live, brought to you by the Communication and Public Relations Office of the Office of the President, Bicol University. God bless everyone. Happy 51st founding anniversary, Bicol University. BU cares. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait ako.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congrats ulit po.
Congrats po sa lahat.
Congratulations, sir.
Bicol University.
Congratulations sa lahat.
Thank you.
Lalo na kay attorney. Congrats.
Congratulations.
God bless.
Congratulations.
If everybody may
Nasa
notice,
class.
the official advertisement banner of Tabang sa Pag-adal program of Bicol University has a long list of contact numbers and email addresses of all of the colleges and units of Bicol University. So you just please make the necessary connection with our respective officials of the university and persons in charge of the program. Bicol University connects and Bicol University cares. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.